Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new, I'm glad you're here. If you just got your license or you're learning to drive and you're feeling nervous, anxious, or even terrified, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to share some real, down to earth advice for new and nervous drivers that I wish someone told me when I first started. So buckle up, relax, and let's get into it. First things first, it is 100% normal to feel nervous as a new driver. Nobody is born knowing how to merge into traffic or do parallel parking like a pro. Even the most confident drivers you know once gripped the steering wheel like their life depended on it. Let me ask you, what part of driving makes you the most nervous? Is it highway driving, parking, turning, at busy junctions? Comment down below and let me know. You're probably not the only one. Acknowledging that fear is the first step to overcoming it. Don't feel like you need to jump into the deep end. Start small. Drive during quiet hours. Stick to familiar neighborhoods. Practice in empty parking lots. The small wins you collect, the more your confidence grows. Even just a short 10-minute drive is progress. And progress leads to perfection. What's one driving goal you want to achieve this month? Let me know. You probably heard this before. Practice makes perfect. But I like to say, practice makes comfortable. The goal isn't to become the perfect driver right away. The goal is to feel calm and in control. Set a regular time each week just for driving practice. Make a routine, no pressure, just time to build comfort. With every turn, stop and signal, you're training your brain and body to handle the road naturally. Confidence starts with familiarity. The more you understand your car, the more in control you feel. Adjust your seat and mirrors before you drive. Learn how sensitive your brakes are. Know where your blind spots are. Practice parking forward, reverse, and parallel. Do you know where your hazard lights are? How about your windshield wiper speed settings? Take a moment to explore those features next time you sit in your car, even without turning the engine on. You're going to make mistakes. Maybe you'll stall for those driving manual. Maybe you'll take a turn too wide. Maybe someone behind you will honk. But guess what? That's okay. Every driver on the road has made mistakes, including the ones honking at you. Use mistakes as lessons, not reasons to give up. And never let embarrassment stop you from learning. Driving is a skill, just like riding a bike or learning an instrument. You get better every single time you try. Here's a secret. The way you think before you drive matters, just as much as how well you drive. Instead of saying, I'm bad at driving, try saying, I'm still learning. I'm getting better each time. I'm proud of how far I've come. Confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about showing up even when you're scared. And if you're watching this video, you've already taken the first step. To all the new drivers out there, be kind to yourself. Be patient with your progress. You're doing better than you think. Whether it's your first week or your first year behind the wheel, keep going. And hey, if you found this video helpful, or if it gave you even just a little more confidence, please like the video, drop a comment to let me know where you're watching from or what you're working on as a driver. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest, supportive advice. Thanks for spending time with me today. Drive safe, take it slow, and I'll see you in the next video.